What's up, everyone? It's Francis Undead. Today, I will be presenting to you another um, IELTS speaking test walkthrough. Uh, Basically, it's gonna cover part 2 and part 3 because part 1 is a bit too simple, too basic. So I figure you guys should have no problem with part 1 after all. So let's focus on the hard part, the hardest part, the more difficult part. So yes, as you can see here are one of the predicted questions that you may encounter during the actual test. Describe your favorite movie. Uh, as to me, my favorite movie are science fiction categories, such as the Matrix, Inception, Transformers, as well as Interstellar, etc. Like those ones. Because I enjoy space exploration, adventures, and let's say, for example, in Inception, it's about um, in implanting an idea or a few ideas into someone's mind. It's there's excuse me, the main character, the protagonist was Cobb. He specializes in performing extraction. That's what he basically does for a living. He he also specializes in corporate espionage. In in excuse me, corporate espionage. That means he steals crucial information, crucial intels, especially those restricted or personal information from those corporate executives. And that film seemed to have a tragic end, but in the end, the protagonist managed his managed to make his way home to clear all of his charges. He managed to successfully perform an inception to to his clients' business rivals. It changed his mind. Um, in the beginning, the the protagonist's client's business rival wants to wanted to inherit his father's corporate empire, which is an energy company, and it controlled half of the energy supply of the entire planet. So yeah, that's quite high tech, which is still not feasible at the present times, since our tech has not evolved that it has not evolved to that level of sophistication yet. But at the moment, we can actually um, simulate an environment that can extrapolate. Sorry, not to extrapolate, but to uh, to actually censor. To developed some neural sensors that can record your brain, your most basic brain and neural activities while you are dreaming. So yeah, I like that movie because it is an inspirational. It is an sorry, not inspirational. It's an inspiring one. It triggered my further curiosity, my further is enthusiasm in scientific research in space exploration. Also, it to some extent it makes me question my religious beliefs. But still, I'm still a Christian, and I will always trust in God. So yeah, let's move on to part three. Part three. Do you think watching films or has any educational benefits? In what ways are documentary films and films only for entertainment different? Why do you think documentary films are not so popular? How are movies and real life different? So yeah, in general, the examiner will ask only a few questions of these listed here. Let's say around three to four or 3 to 5 questions, but at minimum you will encounter at least three of these questions. According to my experience, according to my previous test, which I scored 6 in speaking and 6.5 overall. That was pretty shit for for me because I'm a native speaker and I speak English at home with my dad, so that's pretty disgrace. But I will try harder, try smarter next time. Yeah. Uh, do I think watching films have or has any educational benefits? Yes, like I said, Inception, it triggers your curiosity, your enthusiasm in exploring scientific research, especially neuroscience and even social engineering. It's a it's a masterpiece of science fiction film, and yeah, it almost definitely has educational benefits. Definitely, it is not a waste of time of watching films. But well, still sometimes you can still watch films to get to pass time or to say more you know to put in more collo- colloquial terms. It's yes, it's to waste time while you're watching films before you sleep. Say yeah. Or in what ways are documentary films and films only for entertainment different? Yes, I tend to watch lots of documentary films such as NHK's, BBC's, and the Discovery channels. For example, the Discovery channel it films the the private life of some wild animals, birds, mammals, reptiles, etc. And yes, there are some documentary films that target mostly real humans. For instance, your carpenter, your car driver, let's say, or even a food delivery guy. So yeah, they can be very different. in many ways. First of all, it's only they only record, they only record the truths, the practical things, while in films, mainly for entertainment, it can exaggerate many, you know, many characters' heroic heroic behaviors, heroic acts. Let's say some. So yeah, sometimes documentary films are more interesting than entertainment films because that's merely what I see. So I hope that helps. And yeah, I guess that should conclude this IELTS speaking test walkthrough. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and share. And good luck and have fun for your incoming IELTS tests. Goodbye, everyone. Farewell.